Claude Code 2.0, Claude Design, Claude Co-work. Honestly, this whole space is out of this world. I've been aggressively throwing myself at the whole Claude ecosystem so I can really figure out just everything it can actually do. Not talking about the boring surface level stuff either. I'm talking useful stuff, needle moving tasks, AI agents, design work, automations, actual workflows that save real time. And yes, the graphics you just saw were made with Claude Code in seconds. The more I use it, the more I realize this isn't just a cool AI tool. It's generally making my life so much easier, saving me a stupid amount of hours and literally producing real quality work. So in this video, I'm gonna break down incredibly cool, incredibly useful Claude Code use cases that you can try on day one. Literally day one, literally hour one if you wanted to. It's not that difficult to learn. Literally moments after you download it, and let's just get into it. I'm excited to show you what's up. Have you ever seen a travel itinerary turned into an aesthetic and organized UI app with multiple tabs, dates, options, travel tips, etc.? Yeah, I personally haven't, especially not one so specific, and it just took 1 minute of prompting, okay, maybe 2. Take a look at this. I gave it some context. I said we're driving to New York City on Thursday, June 4th, and coming back Monday, June 8th. On Saturday, we are competing in a race called High Rocks. On Sunday, we want to get a little crazy, and then on Monday, we come home. It created this beautiful little animation here showcasing our route from where we live to our hotel in Brooklyn. It pretty much made Thursday a write-off since we're driving all day, but it gave us an incredibly popular destination to stop at called Dinosaur Barbecue, which is the halfway point, right? Each day is split up with these little tabs at the top. Friday is more sightseeing, nothing that will inhibit our legs on Saturday, if you know what I mean. It gave us links and everything. Saturday is race day, of course, race day at High Rocks. It gave us travel tips so that we definitely arrive on time, stress-free. It acknowledged and congratulated us for completing the race when it gets to that point and suggested stuff that might be just right for tired legs, like a beautiful rooftop pub. Sunday, since we prompted, we wanted to get a little bit crazy. It gave us 2 insane parties, raves, plus some smaller alternatives with ticket range prices that just so happened to be going on that Sunday. Right? Like, it's kind of crazy, right? It also recommended getting the tickets right away as pre-sale just went live. We did, and we locked them in. Excited to say that we're seeing Chris Lake. Look at this. It even gave us packing recommendations. It's just crazy. Either way, you get the point. It's insane. I prompted a paragraph about yay big, just explaining a little bit about the purpose of this trip and the expectations that we have. And it created this. I already sent it to the people that I'm traveling with, and they were blown away. And hold on, look at this. You can also open it up on your phone. So look at this. Literally created a link for me. You press it, it opens it up, and it's exactly what we're seeing on the computer here. Right? Exactly the same app. It's just insane. Okay, so let's move on to the second crazy thing I created with Claude. And remember, if one of these things don't resonate with you, just look at the video chapters and skip to one that actually does. But I do want to encourage you to stay for each point for at least a little bit, because I'm almost certain it will open up your eyes to the potential and the capabilities of this tool. And you could take some of these ideas and repurpose them into your own thing. And trust me, that will happen for you. That moment will happen. That's kind of the real point of this video. The second crazy use case. 2 weeks ago, I never actually thought about creating something like this. Why? Well, I didn't think it was possible, at least not for me, until Claude Code and about 30 minutes of work, okay? I'd normally jump in and show you right away, but I think for this unique case, I'd rather give you some context first. So I invest in ETFs that pay me cash every month. I reinvest most of it to grow my monthly income, but I put some into long-term growth ETFs and track the increases pretty obsessively. So with Claude Code, I built an app to calculate everything for me and ditch the old school way of doing things. For more context, this is a Google Sheet and Excel file, which was a financial tracker that I used. See, here are like the monthly income predictions. And it all started with this weird little gamified system that I created here that kind of helped me make sense of the complexity of investing. I broke it down with these silly little characters, attack horsemen, midfield, defensive shieldmen, that all pay themselves and pay this growth stock over here. I hope I'm not losing you. But anyways, after feeding the screenshots and files of this incredibly rough drafted system into Claude Code, let's look at the incredible app it created for me. So the first tab briefly explains the structure and system. Live off dividends, build the king. It goes into breaking down what fits under attack, midfield, and defense, and how much they all pay themselves and to the fat king growth stock, right? I'll skip all the rest of the explanation of these tabs. This tab pretty much just explains each holding. This tab explains the system in full detail, but at this point, it's pretty much the same level of sophistication as the first app, like the little travel app that we created, but this is where it gets a little bit deeper. Here in this tab, it created a calculator where when I punch in exactly how much I have invested in each, it calculates exactly how much I'm going to be earning a month with some other cool stats. I compared it to the reality and it lines up perfectly. It's just insane. I hope I really didn't lose you with the explanation there, but it's really important just to understand the power that Claude has and how easy it was for me to create something like this. Moving on to another crazy Claude Code use case. All right. Websites are something that every business, every creator, everyone and their mom with a cookie recipe and a blog think about at some point. Websites are everywhere, right? And me and my situation from last week, I had one day to create a highly functional web page with a pretty modern UI, some nice elements, aesthetic animations, like, when you hover your mouse over something and all that fun stuff, right? The problem is that a one-day timeline had me a little bit stressed. I could probably do it, but it wouldn't be quality, especially when you got to think about the design and everything. But then, Claude came into the picture. It's a trend, as you can tell. And take a look at what was created in under an hour. 2-page designs that I could easily drop into the site I was working on. So let's start with this category page, a page that directs the user to the main page, right? We see these little anchor buttons here that drop you down to your section, avoiding all the scrolling, right? And then we have all the page redirects here. I did research based on the most searchable terms based on search volume, like coining press, right? It had a nice hover effect on all of these as I requested, and it went for a nice alternating color design. Now, the second page, which is the one connected to this right here, coin press. All right. You get the style from the last one. So let's look at how that actually transferred over to the live version. A page that was created in under an hour ranks on the first page of Google, and you can see it came together pretty nicely. And what we did was pretty simple. We just fed it our website's link to understand the page. We fed it screenshots in a folder you give it access to, feed it a brand outline, which outlines our color schemes, the type of tone we present ourselves with, and a lot more. We also use AI to create that brand outline. Here's a similar example to what I created for this channel, Cronixel, right? Short and sweet, but yeah, it was enough to feed it to Claude and to, for it to understand. Then I fed it other people's articles that rank high and have valuable, accurate information on the subject. And finally, I just added some random creative suggestions like I love hover effects. I like alternating colors between light and green and dark and green for the particular brand and so on. Like, you get the point. And yeah, that was that. It created this and it's beautiful and I couldn't be happier. Okay, so Did you know that content creators that use motion graphics grow 40% faster than the ones that don't? That stat is completely made up, but I said it to remind you that these motion graphics are made by Claude in a matter of seconds. In fact, all the graphics you've seen in this video have been created by Claude Code. So if you want to learn how to create motion graphics in seconds with Claude Code using Remotion, which is a skill you very easily install into it, then watch the video I have tagged in the description, okay? This video is pretty much going to go deep into exactly how you can easily set it up and create these graphics in seconds. And I need to make a full video about this. I've actually never been more excited about a new tool that has come out. So yeah, go check out that video. Some of these examples I chose in this video may seem random, but that's kind of the point. It's about taking all the messy ideas that you have in your head, things that you've been procrastinating on for a while, things that would normally take you 10 hours to plan before you even start building the actual thing that you got on your mind, and just making it happen so damn quickly that it just blows your mind, blows my mind, blows everybody's mind. And I'm still very, very early, like extremely early in my Claude experience. I'm literally trying to show you what's possible from day one after you download it. So truly imagine what this is going to look like when you dive in for a few weeks, right? If you could already produce such crazy content, such quality work within your first hour of downloading Claude. So that's why I'm going really hard in the space, because Claude truly is one of those tools where if you're a creator, a marketer, a business owner, whatever, it's truly one of those tools that can increase your output with quality work unlike anything else before. And remember, it's not magically replacing your creativity. It just removes the friction of idea to output, that little area in between of executing to get something done. It removes that part. And that's where things are starting to get really, really crazy. All right. So if you're trying to level up your content game, stick around because I've got a lot of cool things coming up. And anyways, please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Cheers.